Welcome back everyone. In this video I will discuss about multi-reaction builder. Multi-reaction builder allows us to monitor multiple observables and perform side effects based on their state change. Let me show you how to use multi-reaction builder. Here I have created this project, and in the pubspec.yaml I have taken the latest dependency related to Flutter MobX. After that, inside the lib folder I have created a subfolder named as store, and here I have created a file named as counter.dart, and you can see it, I have created a count observable variable having the initial value as 0, and two action methods are there. One is increment and decrement. Here I will declare one more observable variable, and let me give the variable name as error message, and let me initialize it with the value blank. Now here inside this increment I will check if count is less than 5, then only the value of count will be incremented, else error message will be initialized with the value count cannot exceed 5. So here we have two observables. One is your count and another one is your error message. And after that, in the terminal I have run the command dart run build runner watch. Okay, so whenever I am saving this, what it is doing, it is generating this counter.g.dart, right? Now let me move to main.dart. In the main.dart, if I run this, then you will see that we will get output which will contain a floating action button, and in the center I will have a text widget having the initial value as 0. This is a simple UI. Now I can see the output. Okay, this is the output, right? Now here I will create final counter equals to counter, and inside this floating action button, with the help of this counter I will call the increment method. Now as a child of this center widget here I will take multi-reaction builder, which is provided multi-reaction builder which is provided by Flutter MobX. Let me import the package. It is not coming, so let me move to pubspec.yaml. Let me save this such that it will download all the dependencies. Now let me move to the main.dart, and from here I can import the package. Now this will take what? This will take builder. Okay, now this builder is actually taking a list of reaction builder, right? And it will take the child also. In the child here I will use text widget, and I will give the value as 0. Now first of all I will wrap this text with observer, and instead of 0 here I will use counter.count.toString. Now in the builders, which is a list of reaction builder, first of all I will use reaction builder, and here it will take context. Here I will use reaction, and this one will observe the value of count. So I am passing counter.count, and in this effect which will receive the new count, here I will check if new count equals to 4. At that time I will display a snack bar, and to display the snack bar here I will use a scaffold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar, then snack bar, and in the content here I will use text widget, and in the text widget I will use the count value is dollar of new count. Okay, now as a second reaction builder I will simply copy this, I will paste it here. Now instead of observing count here, I will observe what? Error message. Now there is no need of this checking, so let me remove this, and here I will simply use error message, right? Now let me do a hot restart. Now let me show you the output. Now if I click here, then you can see count cannot exceed 5. At the starting it is coming. Let me check. Sorry, it will be if count is less than 5. Okay, now let me save this. Let me do a hot restart once again. Now if I click here, then you can see the value is incrementing 1, 2, 3, 4. We are getting this message because here I have written this. If the count value is 4, then it should display the snack bar, which is happening. Now if I click here once again 5, but now if I click on this plus, then you can see it is displaying the message count cannot exceed 5. This is how we can observe multiple observables with the help of this multi-reaction builder. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.